Running a business is full of decisions. And when you're stuck in the day-to-day or second-guessing yourself, growth becomes harder than it needs to be. Hello, I'm Clive Ennifer, business strategist, and I'm inviting you to join me for a free workshop designed to change that. It's called Stop Guessing, Start Growing. This practical, focused session is all about helping you break free from the overwhelm and move your business forward with confidence and clarity. You'll learn how to unlock clarity in your business vision and direction, build a strategic growth plan you can actually use, prioritise what matters and stop wasting time on what doesn't, set realistic, measurable goals, and create consistency without burning out. In my experience of working alongside business owners, I've seen firsthand the transformation that comes from having real clarity. You become a more effective leader. You make better decisions. You get better results. And you can actually enjoy the process. You'll leave this session with a clear roadmap of your next steps and a structure to build on. No fluff, no pressure, just real practical value. And yes, this workshop is completely free because clarity is too important to gatekeep. It's also a chance for you to experience how I work. If you're a small business owner who's ready to stop guessing and start growing, this is for you. I'd love to see you there.